To start, remove trim handle, hub, escutcheon, and faceplate. Make sure the water supply is turned off. Put a rag in the wall under the valve to avoid water spills behind the wall. Unscrew and remove all thread with centering sleeve. Use a 21/32" plumber socket wrench to unscrew nut for all thread. Then use a 1 7/16" plumber socket to unscrew and remove the cartridge nut. Gently pull cartridge with the check valve base from the body. Use a long slotted screwdriver inside the cartridge broach to loosen the screw and remove the broach. Be careful not to lose the screw. Check the first and second ring positions of the original cartridge. Remove the broach on the new cartridge and set the ring positions to match the original cartridge. Reinstall the original broach onto the new cartridge and tighten screw inside broach. Take the new cartridge, look at the bottom of the cartridge with check valve base. The locator post must fit into the locator hose in the body. Slide the new cartridge into the body with the up arrow and tab at 12 o'clock. Lock it in place so it cannot be rotated. Screw the cartridge nut back on and tighten firmly with a 1 7/16" plumber socket. Then screw nut for all thread back on using a 21/32" plumber socket wrench. Screw the existing all thread with centering sleeve back on and adjust the centering sleeve so it protrudes 5/16" past the finished wall. Remove the rag and turn water supply and check for leaks. Reinstall existing faceplates, hub, escutcheon, and handle.